Hey guys, welcome back to Click, and today we're doing yet another unboxing of a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, this time in deep sea blue. So the black was amazing, worked great, but we wanted to get the deep sea blue to see what it looked like. So it's here. This is the 256 gig version, so let's get into it and see what's what. Now, I got this from Wanda Mobile. Great service, guys. Awesome product. Thanks again. No, this is not sponsored by Wanda. I wish it was, then I wouldn't have to pay for this. So this phone came out of my own pocket, hard-earned money. Let's move in. So as you can see, we've seen the box before. Okay, nothing new here. We've got the S Pen. We've got some information regarding the Note here. Okay, and on the box we have the IMI, and you can see here this is gonna focus for me there, 256 gig version. So well, let's get into it, guys. So keep an eye out for our review of this particular phone. We are working on it as we speak. Alright guys, here we have the phone itself. Okay, and we'll get into that in a second. Let's just lift this off, move this aside. Let's see what's inside here. So over here we have this image ejection tool. Let's see what else we get. Oh, look at that, guys. Looks like we have a case. So this is definitely something we didn't get with the Canadian version of the Note 8. And this seems to be a hard shell case. So this is a great starter case. Seems to be a thin case. And I'll throw the phone onto here in just a second, show you what it looks like, okay? We didn't get this with the Canadian variant, and we just got some paperwork for Samsung Pay. This is from China. It's an SM9500 dual SIM. Okay, now let's see what else we get in the box here. We've got your international charging brick. This is obviously not going to work here in Canada or the US. We have the adapters here for micro USB to USB Type-C, as well as a regular USB to USB-C. Alright, now in here, as we've seen before, we've got the USB-C cable, we've got the S Pen tips, we've got your AKG headphones, and extra nibs in case you want to change the size. So nothing else new in the box other than the case. So let's have a look at this phone itself. Okay, so let's peel off this. It's been waiting for this. Okay guys, wow, this color is great. I'm just gonna pull back and pull the sticker off. Sorry about that, guys. We want to have a full look at the blue color, so no interruptions. And there we have it. And there it is, guys, the deep sea blue. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous color. The bezel is really cool. It's almost like a chrome blue. I have to say, in person it looks much better than I thought it did on the videos. So just something to keep in mind. If you're in the market and you're uncertain about the color, have a look at this in person if you can. You can see that the S Pen is also the deep sea blue color. Okay, so really nice color. I'm glad I got it. I was a bit iffy with the blue color. I'm not a huge fan of dark blue, but this seems to have turned out really nice. Alright guys, so the only thing different here is the storage is 256 gig, otherwise 6 gig of RAM, same processor, Snapdragon 835, same cameras, same screen, everything else is the same. So not much else in terms of specs. We just got the slightly larger storage size and a different color. Okay, so keep an eye out for the final review. We are working on it, and we have two in-house now. We've got a black one and a blue one, so you'll see those coming up as well. Otherwise, if you have questions regarding this particular model, post them down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Peace.